Hey, it's Cade Courtley, former Navy SEAL for 4 Patriots. Now, with National Preparedness Month underway, I wanted to take a few minutes to go over some important preparedness basics. But first, be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button to get more videos just like this. I mean, I have lots to share and I don't want you to miss out. Most people understand that being prepared can make all of the difference in the event of a crisis or an emergency situation. And by now, with all the crazy things that have happened in this world, nearly everyone understands it can happen to you. And at some point, it likely will. But here's the simple facts. Most people also haven't started. So whether it's you or you've already taken some steps to be ready in an emergency, this will be a good overview. Let me quickly show you how to put together a survival kit or go bag with the basics. Now listen. This isn't intended to be comprehensive, and your own personal situation may require items specific to you or your family, like medications. But the point here is to take the first step, get the basic materials together, and then make it better. So I'm going to show you a bare bones version, which, let's face it, is better than nothing, and something you can put together today. Plus, I'll show you some simple ways to make it even better without spending a fortune to do it. Okay, let's get started. For your basic survival kit, hurricane box, or go bag, you're going to need something to hold your gear. Now, a backpack is ideal because you can pick it up and go and keep your hands free if you're on the move. But in a pinch, any duffel bag, cinch sack, or even a trash bag will do the job if that's all you got. Don't let perfect be the enemy of good enough, at least not for now. Now that means get it together now and make it better as soon as you can. Now let's talk about food. Now in an emergency, no matter what it is, you're going to need something to eat. Now you can start with non-perishable portable foods like granola bars, beef jerky, or packs of crackers. For a quick and dirty version of a kit, having something, anything to eat beats the alternative. But this is something you're going to want to upgrade soon because when it comes to food, you can't be complacent. These quick things you can pull together here, they don't last forever and they aren't meals. So upgrading to a shelf-stable meal like a 4 Patriots 72-hour food kit makes total sense. Now you get significantly more calories and you will be a lot more satisfied. And you don't have to worry about rotating your food every few months. A pack of 4 Patriots emergency food bars is another great option because these bars last 5 years and can withstand extreme temperatures. So stashing them in your car or garage isn't going to be a problem. Next comes water. At the very least, I'd suggest some bottled water and a canteen or refillable bottle. Again, this is a bare minimum. To make your kit better, you have a few options. A Patriot Pure personal water filter makes virtually any fresh water safe to drink. It's portable, it's lightweight, and very functional. Or you can even get a collapsible water bottle that will not only treat waterborne contaminants, but also functions as a rechargeable lantern. It's upgrades like this, things that serve multiple functions, that'll take your kit to the next level. Now, I'd also suggest you assemble options for light. Now, seeing your way in the dark during a storm or power outage, or making sure others can see and find you is a must. So a well-built flashlight should definitely be in your bag. But if you're gonna pack a regular flashlight, you're going to need to include batteries too. That's why a HaloXT is a great upgrade choice. It's rechargeable via solar, can offload power to juice up your phone in a pinch, and has other life-saving tools that make it perfect for stashing in your car. Next, you're going to need fire too for cooking and warmth, so some lighters or waterproof matches are a must. Now, to upgrade here, a rechargeable flameless lighter like a Firebolt is smart because it can help you start a fire even when it's windy, and it has a built-in flashlight function because it never needs fuel. Again, multi-function wins the day. Once you've covered the basics with your kit, food, water, light, and fire, you can customize it with all kinds of items. Spare clothes, items for shelter, first aid, which is very important, and more. Just be careful not to pack too much. Now, I've seen some folks pack 50 to 60 pounds of stuff together and they can hardly lug it out the door. This is a go bag, not a drag bag. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect out of the gate, but you do need to start getting prepared, and the time to start is now. Even a very basic kit puts you ahead of most of your friends and neighbors, believe me. You definitely don't want to wait until a storm is bearing down on you or you have to leave the safety of your home quickly to start thinking about these things. Look, I want you to be a survivor, not a statistic. So do yourself a favor and commit to getting a kit together as soon as possible. And be sure to subscribe to this channel to get more survival tips the moment they're ready. Stay safe out there, folks.